Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart virtually at Tully Elementary School in Jeffersontown, Kentucky, or Louisville. And I wish I could be in person, but I am online for now and remote a couple states north of you here in Michigan. And it's been an honor to just get to share my heart again with all the students, grades K through 5, students and staff today at the school through my computer screen. And the topic was super important. It was all about diversity, which is our differences, and the need for human kindness. But as it related to diversity, we need to appreciate that, right? All of the differences on the outside and on the inside. So whether we dress different or walk different or talk different or see different or hear different or learn different, anything that might be a difference on the outside, skin color, anything, we still have to honor and appreciate everybody despite their differences on the outside and whatever differences they have on the inside. Whether they're good at sports or not, or good at drawing or not, or good at dancing, singing, whatever it is or not. Whatever it is on the inside that separates us as a difference, we can look to have that unify us and bring us closer together where we celebrate our differences, right? That we are unique, that we are beautiful, and that we are true miracles. We brought up this concept again with the lines on each of our hand. We all have the letter M, right? At least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here again. And this M stood for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And with so many people that I speak to across this country, across this world, that don't believe that they're miracles or don't even appreciate their own diversity when they look in the mirror, when they see their own reflection, we have to be their light and help them believe that, yes, they are true miracles, that they do matter, right? To welcome them, to include them, to really show them respect and compassion. And it's so important we show this kindness and respect, because if we show an act of kindness to someone, it may not just affect that one person's heart that we're showing it towards. It might change someone else's heart that just hears that kind word or sees that kind act too. And it can start to grow like a snowball, like a snowman. It's snowing here where I live, and when you think about that, once you hopefully feel that kindness in your heart, now you want to give it that much more, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. And that's how we start to make this world a better place, just one act of kindness at a time, showing that unconditional love and just always choosing peace, right? So thank you again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Hopefully I get to see you in person. Have a great rest of the school year for now. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Hit the notification bell too to get future updates on videos like this. Check out my website link to follow my journey across this country too. And make sure to look at the inspirational playlist of videos to keep touching your heart. Much love. Peace.